Dear students, today we will see business or formal letter, that is the second type of letter. One more thing, let me make you aware that it is the most important type of letter for you all. So look it carefully. Points to be kept in mind while writing business or formal letter. Okay. First is business letters or formal letter are written to business associates, different kinds of people and authority, editors of newspapers, etc. Means whenever we write a letter for means apart from personal purpose, okay, either we are writing to either we are writing application or writing letter to any editor of newspaper, any police in charge, okay, any authorities, any business associates, okay, or different kinds of people, okay, then such type of letters are in the category of business or formal letter. Okay. Second point is the tone of the letter is very formal and specific. Means the tone in personal letter we had seen, okay, that the tone of letter in personal letter is very friendly, but in business letter our tone is very formal as well as specific. Specific means for which for the topic that we are writing later, okay, बस सिर्फ उसी टॉपिक के बारे में बात करेंगे हम लोग. विल टॉक अबाउट ओनली दैट टॉपिक. ओके, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट टॉपिक वी कांट स्पीक, वी कांट write even a single word. Next point is similar to an informal letter, the entire format is written on the left side of the page. Okay, this is also important. Just like in formal letter, informal letter also everything you have to write from left side. Okay. Next is all business of formal letters are brief. It is in short. Means formal letters are in short. Means in a personal letter you can write if you have to write express your more and more feelings, okay, or you have to share more your more and more ideas, okay, then you can write in personal letter. Personal letter में वो लंबा हो सकता है, but formal letter, okay, इट मस्ट बी इन ब्रीफ. ये लंबा नहीं हो सकता, ये शॉर्ट ही होना चाहिए. मीन्स यू हैव टू एक्सप्रेस योर व्यूज़, ओके, वट एवर यू हैव टू शेयर योर थाट्स यू हैव टू राइट इन ब्रीफ. शॉर्ट में लिखना है एंड टू द पॉइंट. टू द पॉइंट बात करनी है. हाय हेलो नो. वन शुड अवॉइड मैंशनिंग टू मैनी डिटेल्स एंड यू हैव टू अवॉइड मैंशनिंग टू मैनी डिटेल्स. ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं लिखना है. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज we will see the format of formal letter. First is the heading. Okay, in at first we'll put a heading. It includes the writer's address followed by the date. In heading, at first we will give heading for formal letter, and at first we will write the sender's or writer's address. Means जो पत्र लिख रहा है उसका पता, उसका एड्रेस जो है वो सबसे पहले लिखा जाएगा. सपोज आई एम राइटिंग लेटर, देन एट फर्स्ट आई विल राइट माई एड्रेस फ्रॉम वेयर आई एम राइटिंग लेटर. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट फॉलोड बाय डेट. जस्ट आफ्टर राइटिंग एड्रेस आई विल राइट डाउन डेट. द डेट मस्ट बी रिटन इन द फॉलोइंग वे. ओके, आफ्टर राइटिंग एड्रेस वी विल राइट डेट. डेट विल ऑल्सो बी रिटन इन द सेम वे. ओके, numeral words, numeral, like this. Okay. Third point, it the designation name of the recipient or person the letter is addressed to is written immediately below the date. Okay, means after writing date, okay, to whom we are writing the letter. Okay, हम लेटर किसको लिख रहे हैं उसको हम लोग एड्रेस करेंगे. ओके, वी विल एड्रेस. सपोज इफ़ यू आर राइटिंग लेटर टू द एडिटर ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर, देन यू विल राइट द एडिटर, okay, or the police in charge, okay, the commissioner, okay, like this. Fourth point is the subject of the letter is written next, and after addressing, okay, to the addressee, we will write the subject of the letter. Okay, means subject. Suppose you have written to the editor, okay, and after that you will write a subject. Okay, subject, and after that you will write the subject, okay, for what purpose you are writing the letter. Second point is salutation, means abhivadan. Okay, the salutation is formal and could be written in the following way. What type of salutation you have to write? Dear Mr. Singh, dear sir, dear ma'am, like this. Okay. So next is the body of the content. After giving salutation, we will come to the body. Okay, body of or the content means vishaya vastu, for what purpose we are writing the letter. Okay, this segment of the letter contains all the information of writer of the letter, either wishes to share, comment, or wishes to question about. Okay, in this segment, in this part, okay, we will write all the means we will write about the purpose for what we are writing to later. Okay, or what we are writing a later. Okay, you have to write all that detail means detail का मतलब ये नहीं that you will write in very long way, no, short में लिखना है about the purpose. Okay, and after writing the purpose, after writing the body of the letter, okay, we will give complimentary clause. उसके बाद we will finish our letter with complimentary clause. This segment covers the concluding thoughts of the writer. The expressions used for the complimentary clause are, complimentary clause जो है letter का end हम लोग for means with which type of words we will do. फर्स्ट इज़ फॉर अथॉरिटीज़, अगर हमने किसी अधिकारी को पत्र लिखा है देन वी विल राइट योर्स फेथफुली. If you have written application for principal or teachers, then you will write yours obediently or yours respectfully. Okay, और ओके अगर किसी जान पहचान, एक्वेंटेंसेस मीन्स जान पहचान वाले. ओके, किसी जान पहचान या किसी अजनबी को पत्र लिखा है देन यू राइट योर्स ट्रूली. एंड फॉर फैमिलियर पीपुल मीन्स जो रिश्तेदार हैं. ओके, ठीक है, मीन्स वैसे लोग जो हमारे दे आर इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ रिलेटिव. ओके, देन वी विल राइट योर्स सिंसियरली. ओके, you can see here a note is given, the word yours is never written with an apostrophe. Yes, yours word is never written with apostrophe. Okay, and the word truly is not written with e in it. Okay, means you can't write truely, and that is wrong. So this was all about it was all about business and formal letters. I hope all of you understood it well.